मैम माइनस बी क्यूब.
1 minute. Page number 49, question number 7, third part. 998 whole cube. So it can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. So a minus b the whole cube. This identity is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. If a is 1000, b is 2, then it becomes 998. 1000 minus 2, 998 the whole cube. I am putting this all values here. Okay. A cube will be 1000 cube, b cube 2 cube, 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1000 minus 2. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 8 minus 6000 into 998. Okay. So this you have to solve.
मैम 1005987992.
Question 8. Factorize. So first part is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6a square. Okay. So first of all, seeing this, we can think of cubic identity, क्योंकि ये कुछ किसी चीज का क्यूब है, ये भी किसी चीज का क्यूब है. So first of all, we'll write 8a cube as 2a the whole cube. 2 का क्यूब क्या होता है? 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. तो इसको 2a the whole cube लिख सकते हैं 8a cube को. This can be written as b cube. Now if I write, okay, I am writing this statement again. First of all, 3a cube plus b cube plus, if we take 2a plus b outside, it is 6a b. Okay, so this two terms can be written in this way. So up 6ab into 2a plus b. This way I can write it. Okay, this is a cube, b cube, and or I can write it again. Actually, 2a cube plus b cube plus 3a b into a plus b. Okay. So now this can be written as 2a plus b the whole cube. यहाँ पे क्या किया? सबसे पहले 6ab कॉमन लिया. अब ये किस फॉर्म की आइडेंटिटी हो गई? a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब 3ab into a plus b. So this is expanded form of a plus b the whole cube. Okay. Then second part, a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Here again 2a the whole cube minus b cube minus, if we take b a b, then if 6ab is outside, if 6ab is taken common from this term, so what is remaining? 2a. Okay, and if 6ab is taken common from this term, what is remaining? Actually minus 6ab is taken common, so what is remaining is minus b. So it is 2a minus b the whole cube. (27) minus 125a cube. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135 a 225 a square. Okay. So again, when we think of cubic identity, is it cube of some number 27? Is it cube of any
Yes,
number? क्या है?
ma'am. 3.
3 cube. So this is
And
3.
3.
Okay. 125 a cube. Is it cube of some number?
5.
5.
It is 5 a the whole
8 cube. Yes, ma'am.
minus 3 a b. So 5 3s are 15, 3s are 45. So 45 into 3. So basically it will be 3 only inside the bracket. And if I take 45 common from 225, it will be 5a. Okay, why minus? Because we have taken minus sign common outside the bracket. So this sign will also be minus. Okay. Now, this is of the form x cube minus y cube minus 3ab 3xy into x minus y. Okay. So this is equal to, this can be written as x cube, sorry, x minus y the whole cube. This is equivalent to 3 minus 5a the whole cube. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. So you have to think, 64a cube is cube of which number?
8. Sorry, ma'am. 4.
4a the whole cube. Okay. Then 27b cube is square, is cube, not cube of which number? 27b.
3.
And 3.
So 3b the whole cube minus 3ab. If we take this 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So 36 4s are 144. 6 4s are 24. Yes, 36 4s are 144. So if we take 36ab outside, if we take 36ab outside from this term, minus 36ab outside, then 4a will be remaining inside. And if we are taking minus 36ab outside, then 3b will be remaining inside. So this is equal to 4a minus 3b the whole cube. This is the answer. Is it clear? Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No. Then fifth part, 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Okay. So 27p cube, it can be written as 3p the whole cube. Okay. Is 216 cube of any
Yes,
number?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am of 6.
6. So this
6.
6 cube is 216. Okay. So 1 upon 6 the whole cube, we can write this. Okay. A cube minus b minus 3ab. If we write this way, it is basically 3 by 2. 3 by 2 p minus 3 by 2 p. So if we are taking minus 3 by 2 p common from this, what is remaining is 3p. So in bracket we'll write 3p. If we are taking from p by 4, if we are taking 3 by 2 p dividing by 3 by 2 p, so it is coming actually to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 will be here.
I didn't get the.
बेसिकली इसको हमने 3ab लिखा, 3ab लिखा तो ये किसके इक्वल आया, ये 3 और ये 6 तो कैंसिल हो गया, ठीक है। तो ये क्या है 3p/2, हमने -9/2p² और 1/4p दोनों में से -3/2p को कॉमन लिया। अगर -3/2p को कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, इट विल बी 3p ओनली, क्योंकि 3p 3 का 9, तो जब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, व्हेन विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस टर्म इनसाइड विल गेट दिस टर्म ओनली, ठीक है। अब इसमें से अगर हम ये कॉमन ले रहे हैं तो अंदर क्या बचेगा, ठीक है। तो ये कैसे आएगा, वी विल डिवाइड दिस टर्म बाय दिस थिंग, ओके। तो 1/4p और p/4 को -3/2p से डिवाइड करेंगे, तो डिवाइड बाय -3/2p, तो ये होगा p/4 इंटू, डिविजन साइन को मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन में करते हैं तो क्या होता है रेसिप्रोकल, so it is -1/6, okay, so what will be remaining here, -1/6। ये हम चेक भी कर सकते हैं, when you will multiply this thing again inside you should get 1/4p, तो -3/2p को जब 1/6p से मल्टीप्लाई 1/6 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो यू विल गेट p/4, चेक करके देख लो इसको, -3/2p इंटू -1/6, so it is coming p/4, that is equal to this। So this is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, so this can be written as a minus b the whole cube, this is the answer, okay. Verify first part, x cube plus y cube equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, okay। So what we'll do, वेरीफाई मतलब हमको ये चेक करना है कि ये दोनों इक्वल है कि नहीं है, वेरीफाई का मतलब वी हैव टू चेक। सो व्हाट विल डू, विल टेक RHS, we'll take RHS and we'll solve this too by distributive law, and when we solve we should get it equal to LHS, so x into x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, x into x square is x cube minus x square y plus xy square plus yx square minus xy square plus y cube. Now here when you will observe x square y and this is also x square y, this is minus x square y and this is plus x square y. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
square y, ये
And
क्या,
x plus square will also cut.
xy square plus x square and minus xy square, this both will also cut. So now what is remaining, x cube plus y cube, so it is equal to LHS, hence it's true, okay, so hence proved. Is it clear?
Yes.
Do you want to copy or copied?
No, ma'am, not copy.
Not copied, okay, copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Do. So same way you have to do, take RHS,
Ma'am,
are you getting? Okay, both of you have done.
no, ma'am, we are doing.
Okay, you are doing, yes, try this and complete it. So same way we have to do. This question number 9, this verify this questions will also be identities. You have to learn them as identities. So we'll be using them in next question. So you have to learn this. Okay. X cube plus y cube is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube is minus y x square plus xy plus y. Okay. So this you have to learn. Okay. Now coming to question number 10, first part. 27.
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
ma'am, in minus one also, ma'am, it will come plus x square plus xy. Ma'am, in minus identity, x cube minus y.
हाँ, यहाँ पे तो x माइनस वाई आएगा, बाकी सारा प्लस आएगा.
Okay.
Okay, rest all will be plus. And only here it will be minus. In case of plus 1, here there will be plus and here minus will come. Okay. So next 27, y cube plus 125 z cube. So this can be written as 3y the whole cube plus 5z.
Whole cube.
When we apply the first identity, it will be 3y plus 5z, 3y square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z square. So it will be 3y plus 5z okay.